Just a bad girl being good to the rest of the Navy.
Land ho.
Who you calling ho? Let's see what's happening up here. Oh. It follows me everywhere. I got it trained. Oh, ain't they pretty? Lansky, Lucky, Diamond, and Schultz, my law firm. Thanks, fellas. Oh, I'm so glad they put some of these flowers up here. My dressing room is so full of flowers, it's beginning to resemble a funeral parlor. Which reminds me of a guy that I used to go with. This eccentric old millionaire. He was just so strange. He loved to make love in a coffin. Now, you might think that would upset me. Not as much as it did the 6 pallbearers. Trust in the gut is the best tonic in the whole world. But you've got to be a gambler about it, you know? Like the other night, I went to my favorite casino, and the croupier came over and he said, "I'll lay you 10-1. I said, "Well, it's an odd time, dear, but I'll be there." I got into a delightful situation with the chauffeur. Oh, yeah, a nice young guy. Tall, tan, lean, lanky. Seems it was his first night on the job tonight, so to speak. He got so nervous and confused, he choked when he should have throttled. And we stalled for a while. Oh, so I offered him a few pointers due to my excellent driving record, although I did have a little mishap a while back in a parking lot. I broke my ankle in the glove compartment.